everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a logo in your mobile phone. So I'm going to be using the app called Canva today. So let's get started. I just opened the app, and then when you scroll to the side you'll see the logo option right here. So just click on that. You can either use templates or you can create one from scratch. It's just like making a thumbnail, but instead it's of a different size. So for today I'm just gonna use a template, I guess. You can choose one according to the theme of your channel. So I guess today I'm just gonna choose this one. Okay, so now you can change the color, the text and the font and basically everything in here. So I am just gonna choose to change this one, and you can enter, I guess, your channel name or something like that. Okay, so just adjust the size and all of these things so it fits perfectly. So yes, you can just do it like that, and you can change the color, or if you want you can you'll see this pink colored box right here. It's basically the same as the background, so you can change it according to your wish, like that. And yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.